We're going to now tackle landscaping on your new model railroad village. Now, while you're painting, you want to keep in mind your ground covers because some of these are easiest put in place into the wet paint directly. Now we have some green ground covers that can be sprinkled over the hills, and you want to tap those into the wet paint. That's going to act as your glue. You can also add some seasonal color. This material, which is like a ripped up sponge, is perfect for hillsides. And it comes also in an orange, a yellow, and a red. And you sprinkle that out as well. Tap it in. Makes your hillsides even more realistic with the rock work. You're going to want to keep away from larger landscaping materials for now until we place the buildings and the people. Then you can step back, take a look, and decide where you want your impact, like bushes and trees, to go. These will frame your structures perfectly. So now that we have the landscaping in place, you want to continue painting. You're going to want to work just like that in small sections all the way around your layout until all of your hillsides and flat surfaces are done. You also want to keep this material in mind when you're doing lawns in front of houses and in front of commercial structures. This works perfectly as sod, also as garden material, adds a little more detail in scale.